Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve mock test 5 for your annual exam 2024-25. All the questions are most expected question. We are practicing chapter wise question. We already completed up to 4 chapter, that is 4 mock test. Today we solve the chapter ratio, proportion and the unitary method. Full mark 15. So try to solve in copy and pen. After see the solution, then comment your score. If you download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Also, you can screenshot. Okay. So let's start the session. First question number 1. Fill in the box so that box, comma 1, comma 0.5 are in the continue proportion. Okay. So tell me what is continue proportion? The continue proportion means the middle term we write the 2 times, yes or no, means 1 comma 1. Now 4 term means first and the last are extreme and middle are means. So we can write product of the extreme, that is box into 0.5 equal to 1 into 1, or product of the means, yes or no. Now tell me box into 0.5 can also write 5 by 10 equal to 1. So tell me box equal to 1 into, it will be 10 by 5, because when you go to the right side it will be reverse or reciprocal. 10 by 5, 5 2 ja, so answer is 2. Any doubt? Next, the ratio of a dozen means 12 piece, okay, and a score is 20 piece. Because ratio always calculate on same kind. So first of all we convert it to same, that is pieces. That is 12 piece, here is 20 piece. Now convert. That is 12 divided by 20. 4 3 ja, 4 5 ja. So 3 is to 5. So answer is 3 is to 5. Next, the ratio of 10 century. Okay, 10 century converted into decade, that is 10 decade. So 10 into 10 ratio divided 1 decade. So 10 10 ja 100, that is 100 divided by 1, that is 100 is to 1. Also you can solve by the other method. 1 century, that is 100 year. So 10 century, that is 1000 divided by 1 decade, that is 10 year, that is 10. So 0 0 cancel. The answer is 100 by 1 or 100 is to 1. Okay. In this question you remember 1 century 100 year. Also remember 1 century 10 decade. Okay. The first one we convert into century decade, that is 10. That's why we multiply 10. 10 into 10. Ratio 1. So 100 by 1. Understand? Now next, the ratio of 1 centimeter to 1 mm. 1 centimeter means 10 mm is to 1. So answer is 10 is to 1, because here is different unit. First of all we convert into same unit. 1 centimeter, that is 10 mm. Now same unit, then convert. Sorry, ratio. Next, question number 5. The weight of 72 book is 9 kg. So first of all write down weight of 72 books equal to 9 kg. Then tell me what is the weight of 1 book. Simply division. 9 divided by 72 equal to 1 by 8 kg. Okay, now option number A, sorry, bit number A. Find the weight of 80 such book. That's why we convert it to 1 book, because we need 80 book. So multiply 80. So write down weight of 80 books equal to 1 book weight is 1 by 8 into 80. Because we know 1 apple दाम 10 rupees. Then tell me what is 80 apple? That is 80 into 10. Simply we multiply 1 by 8 into 80. So 8 10 ja. So 10 10 kg. Okay, now B number. How many books will be weight 6 kg? So write down number of books will weigh 6 kg equal to 6 kg divided by 1 book weight, that is 1 by 8. So 6 into 8 by 1, because when we divide two fractions, the second fraction will be the same. This is 8 by 1. So 6 8 is 48. So answer is 48 books. Clear? This is important question. Okay. Next question. Find the ratio in the simplest form. Okay. First, I number 10 liter to 0.25 liters. Okay. Unit same. So simply you can write 10 ratio 0.25, because in a ratio no unit are written. Yes or no? Now we can write 10 divided by 0.25, because when you solve, first of all you convert into fraction. Now we can write 10 divided by 0.25. When we multiply 100 in denominator, also we multiply numerator, the denominator becomes normal number, because 0.25 into 100, that is 25. That's why we multiply 100. Then our numerator is 1000. Now 25 4 is 100 0. So 40 divided by 1, that is 40 is to 1. Or you can solve the other method. First of all, convert into milliliter. So 10 liter, that is 1000 milliliter. Sorry, 10,000 milliliter. And here is 0.25 liter, that is 250 milliliter. Yes or no? Now write down 10,000 is to 250. Now 10,000 divided by 250. 0 0 cancel. Now 1000 by 25, again 25 4 is 0. 40 by 1, 40 is to 1. Okay. Next question. 2 hours to 45 seconds. 2 hours you can write 2 into 3600, that is 7200 second. Now the second one is also in second, that is 45 seconds. Now write down ratio, that is 7200 ratio 45. Yes or no? Now 7200 divided by 45, cancel. 9 8 ja 800, 9 5 ja, then 5. Now 800 divided by 5, 16 ja 80, 0. That is 160 divided by 1, that is 160 is to 1. Right answer. Okay. Next question. Find the box if they are in the proportion. So first we can write, we know, first write down 15 ratio box, proportion 27 ratio 36. We know that product of means equal to product of the extreme. Now product of the means means box into 27, because this one and this one is means, equal to 15 into 36. Now box equal to 15 into 36 divided by 27. Now cancel. 9 4 ja, 9 3 ja, 3 5 ja. So 5 4 ja 20. So box equal to 20 and the answer. Therefore 15, 20, 27, 36 are in proportion. Similarly, 2i, directly we write 33 into 16 product of the extreme. Simply first write down product of the means, that is 132 into box equal to 33 into 16. Now box equal to 33 into 16 by 132. 11 3 ja, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 3 cancel. So box equal to 4, the answer. Now therefore 33, 132, 4, 16 are in proportion. Clear? Next question. The last question. 4 erasers are purchased for 10 rupees. Okay, write down. Cost of 4 erasers equal to 10 rupees. So we can find cost of 1 eraser. Yes or no? Because it is unitary method. That is 10 divided by 4 equal to 5 by 2 or simply 10 by 4. Or you can solve in decimal. So now write down cost of 1 dozen, that is 12 piece, 12 eraser equal to how much? 10 by 4 into 12, or you can write 5 by 2 into 12. So 4 3 ja, that is 30 rupees. Answer. Understand? If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. If you not see the previous mock test, then you can see, go to the playlist, link in the description below. Also, you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group for daily update. Thank you.